Hello, welcome in my channel, Monkeys Love Bananas. But now bananas have gone digital. In this new jungle economy, monkeys use something called crypto banana coins. But how do monkeys receive these digital bananas? They need something called a wallet. What's a wallet? Not a real pouch or bag. A crypto wallet is a digital tool. It doesn't store actual bananas. It stores the keys to access bananas on the blockchain. You can install it on your phone, your browser, or even keep it on a USB stick. What's a wallet address? Let's say Monkey wants to receive bananas from a friend. He needs to give them a wallet address. This is a string of numbers and letters, something like 0x Monkey Banana Code 123. It's like Monkey's banana delivery location, his jungle mailbox. Anyone who has the address can send Monkey banana coins. But don't worry, they can't take anything. Public versus private key. Here's the catch. The wallet address is public, shareable, but inside that wallet is a secret, the private key. Only Monkey should know this. It's the secret Banana Vault password. Lose the private key? Bananas is gone. Share the private key? Bananas equals stolen. How it works, simple version. Let's break it down. The wallet is the mailbox. The address is where bananas are sent. The private key opens the mailbox. Monkey can check how many bananas he has or send some to his friends. Types of wallets. There are two main types of wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They're easy to use, fast, and great for daily banana trades, but they can be hacked. Cold wallets are kept offline. They're harder to use but much safer. Smart monkeys keep big banana savings in cold wallets and use hot wallets for everyday jungle shopping. Sending and receiving bananas. To send bananas, Monkey does this. Enters the other monkey's wallet address. Types how many bananas to send. Clicks send. Boom. The jungle blockchain moves the bananas. No middle monkeys. No jungle banks. Just bananas. Fast and simple. Monkey warnings. Important monkey advice. Double-check every wallet address before sending. One wrong letter and the bananas are gone forever. If a scam monkey asks for your private key, run, never share it. That's the key to all your bananas. And never click strange links. Scam monkeys hide in every tree. Why this matters. Your wallet address is your banana identity. It's how friends send you banana coins. But having the wallet is just the start. Being smart with it is what keeps your bananas safe. Wrap up. So remember, a wallet holds the keys to your bananas. A wallet address is your public banana inbox. The private key must stay secret. Use cold wallets for big savings, hot wallets for banana snacks, and never trust sketchy jungle links. Thanks for watching. If you like this, send a banana to a friend. And don't forget to subscribe for more monkey money lessons. Stay safe, stay curious, and protect your bananas.